Thank you very much for your attention. The item I am going to speak about deals with the new knowledge of environmental biotechnologies to enhance ecological education and thinking. I represent the Polish University in Opole and also the Ukrainian Institute of Microbiology and Virology. Nowadays there are two main strategic problems of global importance. First of all, it is decarbonization of energy sources and environment protection and bioremediation. And it is obviously that all of them are closely connected to each other. Due to if we will obtain the decision of decarbonization, we can consider the possible ways of decarbonization. Nowadays, there are the distribution of non-renewable and renewable energy sources. Near 72% belong to non-renewable energy sources and correspondingly 28% belong to renewable energy sources. Among the energy renewable sources, near 70% belong to the biofuel. So, first of all, we must consider the effect of decarbonization on the example of biofuel sources. There are three main sources. First of all, agricultural waste, food waste, and plant waste. And due to the different pathways of fermentation, bacterial, fungal, and so on, one can obtain two main energy carriers, such as methane and alcohols, mixture of alcohols. And the final product of energy obtaining is, unfortunately, greenhouse gas carbon dioxide. And I would like to emphasize that any mode of energy obtaining lead to the forming of carbon dioxide. Oh, excuse me, this is a picture that confirms my idea that in any case of energy obtaining, the end product is carbon dioxide. So what shall we do? Instead of unsuitable methane fermentations that lead to the synthesis of greenhouse gas carbon dioxide, we can apply hydrogen fermentation. And it is really green technology, biotechnology, because due to the fermentation of polymeric organic compound, we obtain molecular hydrogen, and after the oxidation and energy obtaining, the end product is only water, and it is obviously that it is suitable product for the decarbonization of energy sources, of energy politics. But why it was not chosen? What's the origin of this strategic mistake? It is obviously that there are two ways of formation of worldview, two directions. First, number one, it is a traditional mode from the special school, high school, university, and PhD teaching, and so on. And unfortunately, the dominant feature of this approach is the lack of broad-mindedness, and finally, inevitable mistakes in strategic planning. Contradiction to this, the wild view of world broad outlook that combined different branches of knowledge such as history, culture, arts, biology, and so on, lead finally to encyclopedic level of knowledge and proper strategic planning. So it is obvious that the necessity of novel knowledge dissemination at all levels of modern society. We created a novel green biotechnology, and in the process of the creation we applied a wide range of scientific direction, such as ecology, biology, electrochemistry, chemistry, and so on. And the end results of these investigations was the creation of strategic approach, the sequential detoxification of organic compounds, organic waste, with obtaining of valuable products, molecular hydrogen, solid fuel, electricity, pure water. And I would like to emphasize that in any case we obtain a combined environmental and energy effect. Here you can see the experimental confirmation of our approach. We obtain from the ecologically dangerous mixed organic waste, solid food waste, energy carrier, more than 27 liters of molecular hydrogen. Then we purify the toxic liquid waste and decrease the concentration of toxic organic compounds from 2000 ppm down to the only 20 ppm. And also it is very important that we can obtain not only the energy but some another suitable products. First of all, due to the hydrogen fermentation of solid waste, we obtain near 50% of molecular hydrogen in the gas phase. Then dry, non-digested recycled organic waste serve as solid fuels, high energy effective solid fuel, and after additional aerobic fermentation we obtain the biofertilizer, lignin cellulosic substrate, and here you can see on the down right pictures and results. Suitable yield of the radish. And for the spreading of this knowledge, we need to use wide diversified information for this. First of all, we use such mode of promotion as education of students and biotechnologies in the mode of direct lectures. Then, mass media promotion. Here you can see our PhD students who inform the society about the final results of this combined biotechnology. The next, the course of international lectures in the different universities in Europe and Asia, and it will lead to creation of novel mentality among the scientists who nowadays prepare the novel technologies, improve the biogas methods of obtaining. Then participation of PhD students in international scientific conferences. It is the mode of express information of scientific society about the modern results. Then it is very helpful to prepare scientific videos in the mode of lectures and movies and spreading them in the internet. And application of internet sources in the mode of the internet conference. So it is obviously that the conclusion must be that the problem must be crushed under the pressure of alternative variants, and only multi-level and active propaganda will bring success in choosing the right strategic decision. Thank you very much for your attention, and here you can see that Yas loves biotechnologies.